Since airports are bustling hubs of activity, including complex turnaround processes between various collaborators, up to 40% of primary flight delay is caused by the turnaround. Introducing Seer Airport Intelligence Suite, zeroG's solution to make the challenging turnaround processes more transparent and accessible. With the live overview of all turnarounds on the entire apron, Seer enables full clarity by monitoring up to 30 critical events simultaneously. The fully customizable alerting system draws attention to turnarounds that require immediate action. Seer seamlessly integrates into your existing systems, enabling process enhancements and optimizations. Accurate off-block time prediction results in an overall increase in punctuality, led by improved resource planning, increased user efficiency, and precise ground time allocation. At zeroG, we don't just promise solutions, we open up new possibilities. With Seer, the challenge of optimizing the turnaround becomes an opportunity for innovation at your airport. With continuous improvement of our product and the experience of our data and AI experts, we enable the best possible operations for you, now and in the future. Moving forward, our commitment to pushing the envelope, enlightening our clients, and redefining the status quo of airport operations continues.